Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 6 of class 8 subject computer learning Visual Basic 2008. Visual Basic is a powerful program language that helps us to develop sophisticated graphical application that runs on Microsoft Windows environment. Visual Basic is actually the basic language. About Visual Basic 2008, Visual Basic is a method used to create GUI graphical user interface application. The program code is Visual Basic resembles the English language. Visual Basic 2008 is the version of Visual Basic launched by Microsoft in the year 2008. Features of Visual Basic 2008 are: it is a successor of Basic language and helps in debugging .NET framework code. It supports event-driven program expression, blend and nested program page. It provides a common programming platform across all MS Office application. It offers rapid application development (RAD) tools that provide quick and easy way to develop application. Event-driven program. In an event-driven program, the code does not follow a predetermined path. It executes different code section in response to event. An event refers to the occurrence of an activity. Events can be triggered by the user's action like mouse clicked or key press. The sequence of these events determines the sequence in which the code is executed. Hence, the order may differ each time when the program runs. Code in a Visual Basic application is divided into smaller blocks called procedures. An event-driven procedure contains code that is executed when an event occurs. Modes of VB program. Visual Basic program has three modes: design mode, run mode, break mode. Design mode. In this mode, the programmer creates objects and writes logical statements for the application. Run mode. In this mode, the statements written by the programmers are executed by the end user. The application performs the task for which it is designed. Break mode. When an application does not give the desired result due to errors, the execution gets halted to analyze the program. Starting Visual Basic 2008. The steps to start Visual Basic 2008 are: click Start All Program, Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. When the VB 2008 Express Edition is launched, the Integrated Development Environment (IDE) of the VB 2008 opens. The steps to start creating the first application are: select File menu on the menu bar, click New Project. The VB 2008 New Project dialog box appears as given. This dialog box under Visual Studio Install Templation section offer 5 types of projects to be created. Select Windows Forms Applications to create a window application. At the bottom of this dialog box, change the default project name. Windows Application 1 to be design name, example My First Program. Click OK button to continue after renaming the project. The VB 2008 IDE with a new form appears. Components of the IDE. Let us see the main components of IDE and their action below. Components. Title bar displays the title of the project. Menu bar displays menu items to perform various tasks. Toolbar displays icons for commonly used tasks. Form. Main part of the project. It consists of a designer window to place the controls and a code window to write the code. Toolbox. The common control toolbox consists of all the controls essential for developing a Visual Basic 2008 application. Solution Explorer. Solution Explorer provides an organized view of the project and its files and the access to the commands that pertain to them. Properties window. It is used to set the properties of the controls at design time. Task list window. The task list helps to create and manage a list of program tasks. Toolbox containing the tools of VB 2008. They are categorized into common controls, containers, menus and toolbars, data, components, printing and dialogues. Some of the most commonly used controls are button, label, text box, combo box, list box and picture box. Every control is associated with some properties, events and methods. Properties. They are the attributes of a control which can be changed during design time in the properties window or through coding in the code window. Events. These are the actions that happen when an object does something. Example, mouse click or key press. Methods. They instruct the object to perform the activities. Developing of a VB application. The steps to develop a VB application are: select new project, a new project window opens. Double click the window form application icon. Add required control in the form. The steps to insert a control into the form are: drag the control and drop it into the form. Reposition and resize the control as desired. The steps to control properties are: select the control on the form, click the desired properties from the properties window, set the property value. The steps to write codes into the forms are: double click the control on the form, the code window gets open, type the required statement in the event procedure. To write another event procedure for the same control, select another event, the control from the drop down list. Click Save button to save the project, rename the project if required. Run the application by pressing F5 button. Common controls in toolbox. The three main controls in the toolbox are: button, used to provide commands to the application; label, used to display text. It cannot accept input from the user at the runtime. Text box, used to receive input from the user. It can display text and numbers. Properties of button. Name. This property identifies the button control in the code. Text. This property contains the text which get displayed in the button control. Font. This property sets the font style size for the text in the button control. Color. This property sets the color of the text in button control. Enabled. If set to true, the button is enabled. If set to false, the button is disabled. Properties of label. Name. This property identifies the label control in the program. Font. This property sets the font style size or the text in the label control. Color. This property sets the color of the text in the label control. Text. This property contains the text which get displayed in the label control. Visible. This property determines whether the label is visible or hidden. Properties of textbook. Name. This property identifies the text control in the program. Font. This property sets the font style size for the text in the text box control. Color. This property sets the color of the text in the text box control. Text. This property contains text which get displayed in the text box control. Visible. This property determines whether the text box is visible or hidden. Maximum length. This property is used to set the maximum length of the text that can be entered in the text box. Multiply line. This property decides whether the text can be displayed in a single line, set to true, or multiply lines set to false. Setting properties of control in the properties window. The steps to set the properties of the control in design time through the properties window are: select the control on the form, click on the desired property in the property window, set the value for the property. Setting properties of control in the code window. The steps to set properties of the control in the code window are: double click on the control to open the code window. Type the statement in the corresponding events procedure which is automatically created. Assigning a value to the property. Syntax: object name dot property equals to value. Example: write label name dot text equals to this, where the label name indicates object name and text indicates property. Now example you can see next. Setting the text property of text box. Syntax: text box name dot text equals to value. Example: let us assume text box name is text1 and value is hello. We write text box 1 dot text equals to hello. Designing a VB application. Let us design a form in VB to calculate the sum of two numbers and display the result using suitable control. The steps are: open Visual Basic 2008 and click new project. Select window form application 1. Design the form with 4 labels and 3 text boxes and a button. Set the properties for the control as given. Now observe text of property of the 3 text boxes in left empty. The input for the text box is provided by the user at run rate. Write the event procedure for button. When the user clicks the button control, the number entered in text box 1 and text box 2 will be added and the result will be displayed in text box 3. Write the code under the click event of the button control. Double click the button control. This will open the code window, display the procedure. This is an event procedure where button 1 is the name of the control and click is the event used for triggering the action. This type the statement in the click event of the button control. To run the program, we can use any of the steps given below. Press F5 on the keyboard. Click Start Debugging option in the debug menu. Click Start Debugging button on the standard toolbar. When the application is run, the form gets displayed on the screen. Enter two numbers and click Calculate button. The result will be displayed in the text box 3 as shown. Opening an existing project. The steps to open an already existing project are: select File menu and click Open option. The Open Project dialog box appears. Select the project and click Open button. In the project window, select the form and double click on it to open the form, or the steps to open a form are: right click on the form and select Open from the pop-up menu. So with this we have completed our chapter number 6. Now we are going to complete the book exercise and the question and answers. First one, the program is Visual Basic resembles the dash language. It is English. ENGLISH, English. Second one, and dash refers to the occurrence of an activity. Event, EVENT, event. In dash mode, the programmer creates objects and writes logical statements for the VB application. Design, DESIGN, design. Visual Basic program has dash modes 3, THREE 3. Now expand the following abbreviations. First one, basic. Write BEGI NNER, beginners, ALL all, PURPOSC, purpose, SYMBOLIC, symbolic, INSTRUCTION, instruction, CODE, code. Next, GUI. Right, GRAPHICL, graphical, USCR, user, INTERFACE, interface, RAPID, rapid, APPLICATION, application, DEVELOPMENT, development, IDE, INTEGRATED, integrated, DEVELOPMENT, development, ENVIRONMENT, environment. Now choose the correct answer. In Visual Basic, dash mode is used to help the execution of the program to check the errors. The answer is break. In the IDE, the dash provides an organized view of the project and their files. It is Solution Explorer B1. The dash control cannot accept input from the user during runtime. Its answer is label. Now answer the following questions. You have to complete in notebook. List the features of Visual Basic 2008. The features of Visual Basic 2008 are page 74. From here to here you have to write. It is a successor of basic language and helps in debugging .NET framework code. It supports event-driven program expression, blend and nested master page. It provides a common programming platform across all MS Office applications. It offers rapid application development tools that provide a quick and easy way to develop application. Now question number 2. What is the difference between a label and a text control? Label, text control. Used to display text, used to receive input from the user. It cannot accept input from the user at the runtime. It can display text and numbers. Now explain the following terms: properties, event, method, on page number 77. Properties, they are the attributes of the control which can be changed during design time in the properties window or through coding in the code window. Events, these are the actions that happen when an object does something. Methods, they instruct the object to perform the activity. This is answer number 3. Answer number 4, what is an IDE? Write the various components of IDE. So answer for what is an IDE is an integrated development environment. IDE is software for building application that combines common developer tool into a single graphical user interface GUI. And the answer for write the various components of IDE are on page number 77. This is from here components to task you have to write. Okay children, this whole table you have to write. Now next, question number 5. What is the function of button control? Write any 4 components of the button control. So open page number 79. From here you have to write button control is used to provide commands to the application. Then you have to write from the question 4 properties of the button control are, again on page number 79. You have to write from here. From name, you have to write the name whole part, then text whole part, font whole part, and the 4 color code part till here. So children, you have to complete your question and answers in your notebook and the book work in your textbook only. So complete your work. Thank you.